Okay guys, we're about to cut off this stud here that's in the way of my bumper on my Tesla Model 3 Performance Ecohitch install. And if you look at this bolt right here, there's no hole for it on the bumper. So I do have to cut that bolt off, but I don't know if Matt's off-road recovery ever used a tool like this before. Now, I know they have used a tool like that before, but that one's broken. But I can fix it. I just wanted to show you I do have a regular grinder too. As a matter of fact, I got another red one. I can't find it. I wanted to have it in the camera also. But I don't know, man. Can you guys see Matt using one of these? Now, Matt, it does have its application. I used it to cut the plastic out on my rock hood on my Jeep Wrangler to make the vents on it real vents. So, but it does have its application. Now, you should be using something bigger than this, but we're going to use this today, and we're going to show you how it's done. Now, Matt, if you start showing me a little bit of love and sending me over some of your subscribers, we'll get some of these good tools, better tools. Now, this is going to throw some sparks. If it starts throwing too much sparks, I'm going to stop and do something else. But let's get started. I tell you what, that's got to be the most dink-ass thing I've ever seen. These Dremel tools are for people to do little jackass jobs. I'd rather have a bandsaw for this. I used to have a bandsaw, but it's gone now. But man, after doing that right there, and hardly even making a dent in that fucking thing, I thought this thing would cut through it like butter. But man, it's making me look like a dimwit. Anyways, let me just see if I can get a little bit more on it. Almost got it. Good tool for cutting plastic, but forget about metal, man. Wow. I do have a red grinder. I wish I would have bought the tip for that son of a bitch instead of doing this one. You could start a goddamn fire with that thing. Well, the other one would make way more sparks than this, though. Well, leave that. One blade, it's almost off. I could break it off, but one blade cut one thing. That's crazy, man. These are actually toys. People use them to do woodwork and shit like that. This is like a toy, you know what I mean? Matt wouldn't get caught dead using one of these things. No, Matt, if you why don't you, I'm pitching your channel, why don't you pitch mine and throw me a couple hundred of your goddamn subscribers? Come on, damn it. Anyways, this old boy is gonna go right back to Home Depot. It's a rental. So, or actually Amazon, I'm sorry. Just gotta take care of it. Anyways, yeah, that did not work. I've got another blade, but I can't believe that thing didn't cut it. Anyways, that's it for this. It'll come off. I'm actually going to take a hacksaw to it. That's it for this video.